Hey, what's up? On this video, I'm going to share with you the results of my first 30 days of daily video marketing here on YouTube. It's the results of the first 30 days of the 120-day challenge that I'm doing right here now on YouTube. So let's cue the intro and we'll get into it. Hey, what's up? It's Daniel P. Robertson here, and on this channel we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if you'd like to learn that, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon. So as I mentioned, this is day 30 right now as of uploading this video, day 30 of my 120-day content marketing challenge with video marketing here on YouTube. And I'm going to be sharing with you my results and some insights and kind of advice of how to take these results and apply them in your own business. Because YouTube really is a powerful platform for building your brand, your business online, for growing your audience, connecting with that audience, and using that to build a business. Because one of the things that's so powerful about video is that it allows you to really build a connection in a way that it's not easy to do with other types of content. You know, with like, say, like a blog where you're writing, yes, you can build a connection with your audience through writing. You can use, understand some of the concepts of copywriting and persuasion and how to really write in ways that resonate with the reader in order to convey a certain emotion, a certain feeling, and that can help build that connection with that audience. But really, you can take those same principles of copywriting and persuasion and influence and apply them to video, and then the video, it just has more power. It kind of feels like when you're watching a video of somebody, it kind of feels like you're in the same room as them. You're kind of having a conversation, and that allows you to build a powerful connection with that person, which is, people like to buy from people they know, like, and trust, which is why it's really important to build that connection. Which is exactly why I've chosen to use YouTube as the primary platform for growing my business online. So I'm going to switch over now to the computer to actually show you the results of the first 30 days of this challenge, and also talk to you about what you can do, what I'm going to be doing, how I'm going to be using that information to level up my business, and some insights that you can take away from it as well. All right, so here we are on my channel, and I'm going to show you the results of the last 30 days of uploading daily. First, let me kind of back out here and show you kind of over a lifetime. So you can see I started the channel. The first video was uploaded January 1st of 2018. Now today it is September. Well, it's 29th now. This is showing up until the 28th. So you can see here I've had, a handful of videos that I published earlier this year, and then the last one was in April, and then I didn't really do anything after that. It just kind of tapered off here. And then in September 1st, I started this 120-day challenge. So let me go back to this view here for the last 28 days. So as you can see here, we don't have like a whole lot of huge growth going on here, which is what is exactly to be expected. You can see a little blip here, which is when I shared one of my videos actually on a Facebook group answering somebody's question. So there's that blip there. But other than that, it's been fairly steady, and it hasn't seen a whole lot of growth. You can see some of my top videos here. So taking a look at the top videos, this is showing by, I believe, watch time right now. No views, I think, is how it's sorted. Or maybe it's, watch time. It's sorted by watch time right now. So you can see top videos by watch time, and I could click on this here to sort it different ways. For example, by views. And so you can see basically the idea here is that this is not a sprint, it's a marathon. So it's going to take some consistency in order for this YouTube channel to really grow and get larger and really kind of take off. And so that's kind of the expectation I want you to have as well when you're starting, your content marketing plan, whether it's YouTube or something else, is that it's going to take some time. It's going to take consistency. The more you continue to consistently publish content, the more opportunities you have to get in front of your target audience. If you have just, say, 10 videos on your channel, it's going to be hard for those 10 videos to be discovered. But if you have, 100 videos, 200 videos, the more videos you have, the more chances you have to be discovered, the more keywords you can target, the more entry points people have on to find your channel. Let's take a look here at my stats as far as impressions. So impressions is just a measure of how many times YouTube is recommending your content to people. So, for example, if they search for something and your video is one of the search results, that would be an impression. If somebody's watching a video and your video is shown on the side of another video as a recommended video, let me show you what that looks like. That's also an impression. So I'm going to go and I'm kind of going to show you what this looks like. So I'll go over here. And I'll just pick a kind of random video here just to kind of show you. And let's pause it. Okay. So you can see all of this here. All of these are the suggested videos. And because YouTube is recommending these videos, each of these videos now has one impression. So the more impressions you can get on your channel, the more chances you have of somebody seeing your videos. So let's go back over to the analytics here. So the goal is to get more impressions, but not just to get more impressions, which you can get more impressions. There's a few things to do that. One of them is just to have more videos. The other is that you want to improve your stats. The more your other stats improve, and these stats are what I'm talking about. So the more your click-through rate improves, and the more your average view duration improves, and the watch time, really, the more those things improve, the more impressions you're going to tend to get. The YouTube algorithm really favors videos that have a high click-through rate as well as a high watch time. So having a higher click-through rate on your videos, that's all about having good thumbnails and good headlines to kind of create some curiosity or to create a reason really for people to click through and watch your video. So they're measuring that, and your video is really competing against the other videos that are also being recommended at the same time. So you want to get this number up. Mine isn't very high. I would like this to be higher. I'd like this to be at least 5%. So that's something I'll be working on, is figuring out how to improve my click-through rate. The other thing that I need to improve is my average view duration. And so that is, right now, it's about 9.2% average across all my videos. So definitely can improve there. And the more I improve that, the more YouTube is going to start recommending my videos to more people. So that's kind of the plan. I'm going to continue on with this 120-day challenge, and I'll show you the results another 30 days from now. So at the end of 60 days, I'll kind of show you an update on this. Let me know down in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions on how I can improve, and subscribe if you like this kind of content. We'll see you in the next video.